Blender is the free and open source 3D program. This piece of software supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline, including modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing and motion tracking, even video editing and game creation. Advanced users employ Blender's API for Python scripting to customize the application and write specialized tools. These tools are often included in Blender's future releases. Blender is well suited to individuals and small studios who benefit from its unified pipeline and responsive development process. In addition, Blender is cross-platform and runs equally well on Linux, Windows, and Macintosh computers. Its interface uses OpenGL to provide a consistent experience. Installing Blender is finished. Now, it's time to demonstrate a modeling. I'm going to create a chair for several minutes. Enjoy the model. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe.